A friend once asked me how he could tell if his plant was pregnant. And at the time I thought this was so funny, but honestly a fair question. Sometimes our plants can produce pups or little offshoots that we can cut off from the mother plant and create new baby plants. Now this one here is a little too small, but the one next to it is perfect. So I'm just taking my snips and getting as close down to the mother plant as I can. You want to make sure you get a node, which is where the roots will come out of and form that new plant. Same process with this next pup, and you can see here it has plenty of nodes to grow roots. Now this mama actually gave me an offshoot all the way up the stem, and it had 2 nodes, which was plenty for me to go ahead and separate. But that next leaf was pretty stuck, so I went ahead and helped it out very, very carefully. If you try this at home, be very, very careful. Next, we're going to prepare our perlite, which is my favorite propagation medium for these babies. You want to make sure you're rinsing very well. You can see all that white powder. That is what we are rinsing away so that it does not touch our plants. Next, we just want to make sure that that node is plenty covered in the perlite. And I'm using these clear cups so that I can clearly see the roots as they grow. And I'm honestly just so obsessed with this baby. Look at that gorgeous little half moon leaf. It is a stunner. Next, I'm putting both of these babies in a dish, and I'm going to fill the dish with water. This allows the perlite to soak up what it needs. Now I'll just keep the dish filled and put them under a grow light. And there she is, proud mama with her pups.